Hey everyone, today we're going over a step-by-step guide on how to recover a hacked WhatsApp account. If you're locked out or suspect that someone else has access, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to get back in securely. Verify your number first. Open WhatsApp on your phone and enter your phone number as usual. When you tap Next, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your phone number. Dealing with two-step verification. If the hacker enabled two-step verification on your account, you'll see a screen asking for a PIN after entering the SMS code. If you don't know this PIN, you'll need to wait for a 7-day period before you can bypass it. After this waiting period, you'll be able to verify your number without the two-step verification PIN. Contact WhatsApp support. While waiting, or if you encounter any other issues, you can reach out to WhatsApp support. Open your email app and send a message to support@whatsapp.com. Make sure to include a detailed description of your issue, mention that your account was hacked, and provide your phone number with your country code. By following these steps, you should be able to regain control of your WhatsApp account. If this helped you out, give us a like, subscribe for more tech and security tips, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.